Because wordले इङ्ग्लिस ग्रामरमा रिजनको फंक्सन गर्छ, त्यसैगरी since for as लाई पनि डिफरेन्ट वेजमा युज गर्न सक्छौं, but since for as ले पनि because को synonym को रूपमा फंक्सन गर्न सक्छ. For example, he hasn't come because he is ill. ऊ आएको छैन because किनभने ऊ बिरामी छ. यहाँ because ले he hasn't come को रिजन मेन्सन गरिएको छ. ऊ आएन किन त? Because he is ill. I'm hungry because I didn't have lunch. मलाई भोक लागेको छ because मैले लन्च खाइन. यो सेन्टेन्समा पनि because I didn't have lunch क्लजले I'm hungry को रिजन मेन्सन गरेको छ. म किन भोकै छु त? किनभने मैले लन्च खाइन. Next sentence, I couldn't go out because of the rain. म बाहिर जान सकिन because of the rain. पानी परेकोले. अब यो सेन्टेन्समा एउटा डिफरेन्स देख्नुभयो होला. माथिको दुईवटा सेन्टेन्स र यो सेन्टेन्समा एउटा सानो डिफरेन्स रहेको छ. राम्ररी हेर्नुस् त. माथिको सेन्टेन्समा रहेको छ because मात्रै र यो सेन्टेन्समा because of रहेको छ. दुवै सेन्टेन्सले सेम मिनिङ दिन्छ र रिजन दिने गर्छ, बट एउटा सानो डिफरेन्स रहेको छ because or because of. Because सँग हामी सब्जेक्ट प्लस verb युज गर्छौं भने because of सँग noun or pronoun युज गर्छौं. For example, I need an umbrella because it's raining. Next, I couldn't go out because of the heavy rain. यो सेन्टेन्समा it सब्जेक्ट हो भने is verb हो. It is को कन्ट्र्याक्सन its हुन्छ. यो सेन्टेन्समा because of पछि noun रहेको छ the heavy rain. The heavy rain यो noun हो, heavy adjective हो. हामीले सिक्नुपर्ने अर्को पोइन्ट रहेको छ as, since. यो सेन्टेन्समा हेर्नुस् त. I need an umbrella because it's raining. Now, let's look at the same sentence with as and since. I need an umbrella as it's raining. I need an umbrella since it's raining. Okay, perfectly correct. As, since. यहाँ as, since or because युज गर्नको लागि अर्को सानो एउटा पोइन्ट रहेको छ reason and result. Because focus more on the reason and since as more focus on the result. For example, people work because they need money. My mom brought me soup because I was sick. Because they need money, because I was sick. These are reason and they are more important. People work. काम त जसले पनि गर्छ because they need money. They need money यो क्लज इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्लज रहेको छ किनभने उनीहरुलाई पैसाको आवश्यक छ. यो पैसाको आवश्यक हुने रिजनमा because ले बढी फोकस गर्छ. My mom brought me soup. ममले प्राय जसो सुप ल्याइदिनुहुन्छ अरु लन्च पनि बनाइदिनुहुन्छ because I was sick. मेन रिजन रहेको छ I was sick. म बिरामी भएकोले नै ममले सुप ल्याइदिनु भयो. She took some rest as she was tired. I couldn't buy anything to eat as or since I had no money. Yes, as and since they do introduce the reason but focusing on the result because the reason is already clear to the listener and speaker. Listener र speaker दुवैलाई reason एकदम clear छ भने यस्तो केसमा हामी as or since use गर्छौं, not because. She took some rest as she was tired. As she was tired, यो क्लजले उनी थकित छिन्, दिनभरि काम गरेको सबैले देखेको छ भने उनी थकित भइन्, उनलाई थकाइ लागेको छ, so she took some rest. उनले रेस्ट गरिन्. यो सेन्टेन्समा she took some rest क्लजमा बढी फोकस भएको देखिन्छ. I couldn't buy anything to eat as since I had no money. उसँग मनी छैन भनेर सबैले थाहा छ. यो लिसनर र स्पिकर दुवैलाई यसको इन्फर्मेसन छ भने I couldn't buy anything to eat यो सेन्टेन्समा बढी फोकस भएको देखिन्छ. सो यस्तो केसमा हामी as or since युज गर्छौं. उसँग मनी नहुनु रिजन हो भने I couldn't buy anything to eat. यो रिजल्ट हो. मनी नभएकै कारणले उसले केही पनि किन्न सकेन. यसरी because as र since लाई सेन्टेन्सको फर्स्टमा पनि राख्न सक्छौं. We can put the reason clause at the beginning. But यो सेन्टेन्सहरुमा तपाईले यहाँ एउटा कुरा नोटिस गर्नुभयो होला. यसरी because as since सेन्टेन्सको बिगिनिङमा राख्दा एउटा कुन पोइन्ट नोटिस गर्नुभयो राम्रोसँग हेर्नुस् त. Yes, कमा. यहाँ हेर्नुस् त because I was sick. त्यसपछि कमा रहेको छ. As she was tired, कमा. As since I had no money, comma. If you use because as since at the beginning of the sentence, make sure you have that comma to separate the two clauses. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and please hit like, share and subscribe.